Chicken roasting on an open
Did
fire.
the carabiner break?
Butter in its skin.
You good?
Yeah. Gotta go to Safeway, pick up the chicken and some butter. Made it home with the chicken. It looks okay. Small, cheap. I'm gonna use some of this garlic butter and put it inside the skin. But I also want to put some seasonings on the outside. Some extra garlic spread, Montreal steak, lemon herb. It's gonna be delicious.
I'm gonna keep making camping videos more interesting than chicken on a fire. So please subscribe, or at least leave a comment.
Made it. Seems there's been some people here, so we have a nice couple of fire pit options. These dead sticks covered in that moss. That's what's gonna be really good for starting the fire.
No way.
Looking for a decent sized dead tree we can chop down, bring back to the fire.
Oh, you can see there's good deer out here.
Yeah.
Ah! Timber! Chop chop! Ha ha! Yeah!
Maybe we can. Yeah, not from here. I guess a big one then.
Yeah.
It's a huge axe.
Time to put the chicken on. Set this stick up. I have some wire. Should be able to make a little indentation. Hang it down. Chicken. Boom. Oven roasted chicken. Butter is really hard.
Bro, it looks like a rabbit.
But he's burning, but as you can see he's really soft, which means he's not cooking. So we'll wrap him with tin foil, lower him in there. He shouldn't burn, and he should cook a little bit more evenly. I'll see if I can do it one-handed here. Yeah. Now that's the trouble. Termites. Makes my job a lot easier.
That looks pretty good.
It's looking good. All right, it's gonna be the chicken taste test. That was great chicken.
It was amazing how many sparks were flying everywhere. The ground was a little bit wet because the snow had melted, and I guess it was just cold enough. It all worked out.
All right, the pie warming up. Hot pot of tea, just great. This is just great. Are we devouring the whole pie?
I think so. I mean, I think I probably could.
Buddha blend.
I never really talked about my hammock setup. But one hammock by itself would be pretty cold, so I strung my extra one beneath it and filled it with a sleeping bag. I also had a mat in the one I was sleeping in. Kept me warm all night. Salix just beasted it with one. I don't know how he did that.